Random Amazon find that just slap. This dish gradually lets you launch this tiny bubble that has spiral return. It's a great way to reduce your stress for work or school. This silicone whisk lets you whip in the egg in a jiffy and twist to collapse so it's easy to store. This gadget circulate activate oxygen to eliminate bad odors and smell from your fridge, car and shoe closet, and it's way better than baking soda and charcoal. Amazon laundry hacks. Anyone else wonder for those tiny holes in clothes? This strip will be helpful for you. Just cut it down, place it, and just iron it. Once it will melt, your hole will be filled up automatically. This gadget can place inside the washing machine. We can turn it upside down to collect all the washed laundry into a basket. This drying rack comes down from the ceiling. It can hold up to 25 pounds of laundry and gets brought back up to create more space. This genius backpack has a pocket that expands into a changing station or a nap area, and it's even turned into a play area. There is a built-in charger port and the side pocket for wipes, and the front area is fully waterproof so you can carry your bottles. There is an easily accessible pouch, and the main compartment is great for keeping your snacks, diapers, and other stuff. Use this side strap for hanging this bag.
I actually like. Number 7 is my Hot Tools holster that gives you an excellent place to put flat irons or curlers while you're taking a break or letting it cool down.
That's amazing.
Number 12 is my stuffed waffle maker that makes waffles so fat that you can put anything you want in the middle of them.
No way.
We chose to make it delicious and not worry about calories, so cheesecake filling it is, and we didn't regret a thing.
Nice job.
Number 6 is my dish scrubber that you can put wherever you want and then wash whatever you want with it.
Makes sense.
Number 7126 is my sink mat that you can cover your sink with to give you a little extra counter space if you need
Thanks
it.
for watching. Love you. Bye.
Everyone else hates shopping carts. You never have the right coin. The wheels always rattle and people never put them back. This gadget opens up with the touch of a button, has a slot for 2 crates, and allows you to have your own personal shopping cart. You can weave through the grocery store, do all of your shopping, unpack it and repack it at checkout to avoid plastic, and then simply slide it into your car and collapse it in seconds.
Some sorcery that makes it super easy to pick up dust from baseboards, nightstands, and even headboards, and the best part is, you just run it under some water and it's ready to go again.
향기만 남기고 갔단다. Millionaire, I'm a young money millionaire, tougher than Nigerian hair. My career compared to your career just isn't fair. I'm a venereal disease, like a menstrual bleed. Through the print so early on the sheet of the tablet in my mind.
So what is the Rambo Ice 3 and why do you need one? On hot days, fans just blow hot air at you and air conditioners are too big to be portable. The Rambo Ice is the world's first portable air conditioner that fits around your neck and can cool you down by up to 10 degrees. It's controlled by a touchscreen or with its app, and it has 7 sensors to measure your vitals and ensure it cools you down in the most effective way. The battery lasts for 12 hours and it's virtually silent, so you can work or take calls without it being a distraction. It even converts into a desk AC when you place it on the designated stand.
Top 5 Amazon finds from last month. Number 4 is my little snack container that lets you eat things without getting your fingers all nasty. Just fill it up, and when you push down, the snacks will fall down directly into your mouth.
Hopefully.
Number 1 is my Pluffle bed that is the most comfortable lounging chair you will ever experience in your entire life. Pluffle's quality is one of the best in the market because it's so soft, so comfortable, and makes you so happy.
Of course it does.
Number 3 is my alarm clock that is guaranteed to get you out of bed. It's so easy to set up, and once the alarm goes off, it just starts moving, so you have to get up and turn this annoying sound off. Number 5 is my Medcline pillow that is perfect for old people like me.
You're so old.
It's designed for people with shoulder pain that might be from a rotator cuff injury, tendinitis, arthritis, or just being old and sore. Number 2 is my Bluetooth fridge magnet that is also a conduction speaker that will resonate sound through the object that it's on. Just listen to this.